So a few weeks ago, I told you all that MicroCalendar finally made its first sale. A real customer paying real money, actually using this app the way it was supposed to be used. I was genuinely thrilled about it. The empty striped dashboard I kept staring at for weeks finally had something on it, and it felt like a real milestone. Turns out I celebrated a little bit too early, because a while after the first payment, I started noticing something strange happening on the account. A bunch of bookings were being created back to back using different cards in a pattern that did not look like someone genuinely trying to book a meeting. It looked like someone testing stolen card numbers to see which ones would actually go through. For anyone who doesn't know, this is an actual thing that happens to payment platforms. It's called card testing, and small apps like mine are honestly a perfect target for it because the checks are usually less strict than big platforms. So I had to go in, look at what was happening, and eventually block the account entirely, which is a strange feeling because this was my first paying customer and now I'm sitting here manually shutting them down instead of celebrating. I am not certain this was malicious with full confidence, but the pattern was suspicious enough that I wasn't going to take the risk of leaving it running while my Stripe account and my reputation were on the line. So that was the first real lesson from having actual money moving through the app. It's not about getting payment, it's about protecting the app from the kind of people who show up the moment there is money involved. While dealing with that, I also ended up building myself something completely unrelated, just for fun. I built a little internal dashboard for myself. I'm calling it a mission control for now. It shows me everything happening on the platform in real time. New signups, new bookings, calendar connections, all of it scrolling in a live feed. There's a big number of monthly recurring revenue with milestone markers, and when I cross a new one, it throws confetti at me. Completely pointless for any other user, purely because I wanted checking on my own app to feel a little more rewarding. Now here's the part of this update that I'm actually more excited about. Completely separated from all of this, my boss's organization has started using MicroCalendar. They wanted to migrate away from Calendly, and because it's a real organization with real scheduling needs, I'm now building features based on what they actually require, which is a very different experience from guessing what features might be useful. The biggest one so far is something like this. Imagine a booking page for the team. Guests want to book a meeting, but instead of picking one specific host, the system looks at everyone eligible, checks on who's actually free at the time, and automatically assigns the meeting to the best available person. No back and forth, no double booking, no one manually checking 5 calendars to figure out who's free. This is exactly the kind of feature I would never have thought to build if I was just guessing what users might want. It is coming directly from a real team actually using this thing every day. I am not marketing MicroCalendar aggressively right now, and that's intentional. I want it to be genuinely solid in production, and I want the bugs sorted, the fraud protection tightened, and the core experience smooth before I go out and actively try to bring in more users. So the plan right now is simple. Keep building based on what this one real organization actually needs. Keep hardening the app against the kind of activity I just dealt with. And once I'm confident I can handle real growth, that's when a marketing push happens properly. Between a suspicious first customer and an organic customer growing organically, this month taught me more about actually running a SaaS product than the entire time before it combined. Subscribe if you want to see where this goes. I'll be back with more soon. See you.